with next, pick one. Pick one. Okay, so I want you to read the word or phrase in the paper silently. Silent reading. And I want you to think about how this label might affect someone. No? And I will be calling from your class to share orally your experience or your ideas about the word you picked. Are we now ready? After requesting Miss Ethel. Again, you're going to share a brief reflection how might make someone feel and what impact could have on their life. So, Ma'am Ethel and Miss Ethel,
Waktu masay. Masalah tak ada kata.
for me, it's okay because it's true.
Does it give impact on your personality?
For me, at first, it hurts, but at the same time, it's okay because it's true. So thank you for sharing. Okay, let's have another one. What about